Hey everyone, welcome back to Melissa's Kitchen Table. Today I'm going to be making boneless, skinless chicken thighs in the air fryer. And I'm going to be testing out a new product that was sent to me, which is this meat thermometer from Haber. I'll leave a link down below so you can find this on Amazon. It's $16.99. And I'm going to use it to test the chicken. So all I'm going to do is take my boneless, skinless thighs, put it in some seasoned flour, some egg, and then some breadcrumbs, and then we're going to fry them in the air fryer. So I'll show you how I do that. So I just have 2 eggs beaten up over here. I have my defrosted chicken thighs. So you will put them into, I'm just going to cut that little piece off. Alright, just put that into the flour. And you can season your flour any way you like. You could buy seasoned flour. I just like it with a little bit of cayenne, onion, garlic, and salt. And sometimes I'll use pepper too on chicken. So you just want to make sure you get a nice coating on the chicken and then into the egg. And then once that's coated, get excess egg off. And right into your breadcrumbs. And you can season your breadcrumbs too if you'd like. I am going to get my air fryer pan sprayed so nothing will stick. And then as I coat them in the breadcrumbs, I'll get them right into the air fryer. And you can season your breadcrumbs as well. I just didn't this time. I didn't really think about it. Alright, and right in. And then I'll just give them a little spray of the cooking spray on top. And I'm going to put that into a 360 degree air fryer for 15 minutes. And I'll flip halfway through. And then I'll use these to double check to make sure that they come up to 160 degrees and that they are cooked. So I'll show you what that is once that's all set. Okay, so I just pulled them out of the oven, and I am going to use this thermometer, and I'll poke it right in. So it's already at 173 degrees. Let's see if I can get a better one in. So yeah, these are way cooked, as you can tell. I've had a lot of problems finding thermometers that I like. This one seems to work really good. It's nice and compact. You just press the button. You could change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. You could hold the button. It's auto on and off. So far, so good. We'll see how long it lasts for. Now, as for this chicken, this is completely cooked, as I showed you. It's nice and juicy. You could even see the juice in there. So you can eat this as is. You could put some barbecue sauce on it. You could put some sauce and cheese and make it like a Parmesan. It's up to you how you want to enjoy this. This is just plain old fried chicken, not on the bone. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and share, and I will talk to you later. Bye.